What's up, you guys? Alex here, back again with another video. If you like today's video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe and let me know what you guys think. But today I have a pair of Yeezy 350 creams. I really like this shoe and I'm excited to get it cleaned up for you guys. So let's get cracking. Look, I'm tired of spending so much money on expensive soaps or shoe cleaning kits, so I made my own. My goal is to provide a cheaper but better quality restoration kit for everyone to use. This soap should be ready by December 20th. If you have any questions about it, go message my Instagram. I will put it here on the side. But enough of that. For today's cleaning, I will be hitting up the uppers of the 350s with the light suede brush. After that, I'm going to give it a spin in the cyclone. Get them all clean from the inside and out, and then I'm gonna ice the soles and make them look dead stock, brand new. All right, well, the first step, take off the laces. Now bring in your water and go add your mixture. And don't forget your shoe tree. Alright, now I'm gonna switch to a harder brush for the soles. Alright, I am now done with the brushes, so it's time to move on to the laundry bag. Once you have them in here, you just put a little bit of laundry detergent all over it, and then you throw them in the washer. Alright, the shoes are now out of the washer. Now the next step is to unyellow these soles. I will be doing so by applying a 40 volume developer cream, and then I'm going to be placing them under my indoor UV light setup for a 26-hour session. If you don't have a UV light setup, it's fine. You can just place them outside for a 2-hour session with the sun, or probably an hour session. You don't want to leave them out for too long because the sun will cause separation between the soles and the seam. Alright, well, that brings us to an end of this Yeezy 350 restoration. I'm really happy with how these turned out. I was really able to bring back that white that was lost a long time ago. Only problem was we couldn't exactly get the soles to look new, but that's really hard to do with Yeezys. I'm going to leave the before and after videos here, and thanks for watching, guys.